Hey guys, so I am out of bed. Yes, I'm not in bed today. Woo! Anyways, I am cooking supper right now, and we just got back to Walmart. So, as you can see, there is some dead cow nap. That would be hamburger. And we are doing Walmart brand supper tonight. 3 cheese. That's going to be backwards, but it's 3 cheese. Hamburger helper. And later I'm going to be doing some bacon. So, yeah. So, that's it for right now. So I will show you what it looks like in a bit. Hey guys, so supper is pretty much done. So I will show you what it looks like. Yum, yum, yum. Added a little bit of rice because I didn't think it was thick enough. So that's pretty much all that I've done for today. I've done laundry and grocery shopping, of course. So I know it's really quick vlog, but yeah. Yeah. Want to see something really cute? Okay, here's the fridge. Whoops. Oh, who's that? Mr. Kiki, you're on the fridge. Baby, what are you doing on the fridge? What are you doing on the fridge? Gotta love cats. Did I forget anything, Dad? Hello? Did I forget anything today? Yeah, laundry. Did 3 loads of that. Ended up being on 2 separate floors. Don't ask. Yeah, so that's all for today. Alright, so, like I said, short vlog. Gotta love them. Alright, so I'll leave you with my putty cat on top of the fridge, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye! Say bye! Say bye-bye, Kiki. Say bye-bye, YouTube. Say bye.